What up, peeps and peepettes? How's everybody doing? It is Saturday. I still have bronchitis. I'm on my 4th week. So I'm going to go back to the doctor and see what could be done. I was prescribed 875 milligrams of amoxicillin. And then I had, what was it, the Mucinex DM, maximum strength. That helps subside my coughing. However, in the nighttime, like, even with that, I could tell, like, my body wanted to have it suppressed, but it would still feel the urge to, like, have a hard cough. But anyway, as you can see here, I have a beard going on, and I got this, so I want to do a little review on it. It's the Remington. It says stays sharp longer lasting. Surgical steel blades, washable attachments, 16 length and 16 style settings, up to 70-minute runtime, and it's lithium power rechargeable. Durable guarantee, 2-year limited warranty. Has a charging indicator. It has a full-size trimmer, detail trimmer, nose, ear, and hair trimmer, 3 beard and stubble combs. And yeah, so later on tonight, after I go to the doctor and do my lifting, and when I say lifting, I don't mean at the gym, I mean my ride share. I will test it out, see how it does. So I'll see you later. Alright, so I'm gonna open this up. If you could see, like, right in the middle here is where you can open it up. Right here. I'm not sure if this has to be charged first. We'll see. Alright, let's see if I can do this one-handed here. Oh, so this is like a little traveling bag. Alright. Power pack. You got your different trimmer clips. And this is okay. So I think this is for the nose. Is this for your nose hair? Let's see. All right, let's give it a go. I don't know if I should use the mirror and shave or use the camera and shave it this way. I don't know. If I put this in my left hand, because I'm a righty. All right, let's see if I record in the left hand. All right. Yeah, it's a little better if I look at the mirror. Do you guys need like some music or something? Should I just leave it like this? What do you think? Wow, look at all this underneath. Seems to work really nice to me. I am probably going to shave this all off. I just want to see how it works, trimming it without any, lining it without any clips. My skin is dry. Oh. I don't know. I kind of like that look. What do you think? What do you think? Comment below. Yeah, I really like this. I like the color, of course. Red and black is one of my favorite color combinations. And for $21, I think this works really good. And I would say this was like a medium length beard. How long is this video anyway? It's 4 minutes. I should have put a little towel or something in the sink. Wow. Little grays. That's okay. Natural. Yeah, definitely worth it. I mean, you're not gonna get like a real tight and close, smooth shave, but this will definitely clean you up. So I'm just gonna try to get a little closer. I'm gonna stop it here, and then you'll see the sink. I really should have put like a washcloth or something covering the sink, but I'll just use like a wet paper towel and get that out of there. So I can't do it with one hand. I'll try, but it's easier than taking off a cap from a water bottle. You just twist it. Like I said, I can't do it with one hand, but you just twist this, comes right off, and then you just twist that on. That's for the nose hair, right? And I guess this is just a closer trimmer. So yeah, like I said, I really like it. As you can see, you're not gonna get smooth, but it'll definitely clean you up. And like I said, for 21 bucks, I don't think you can go wrong. Okay, and this should go right in there, nice and snug. So that fits in there, and yeah, I assume you can fit all of that in there. 1 second here. Okay, so I also have the power pack in there. I'm gonna put the clips in there. Again, I apologize for the one hand. Yeah, so everything fits in there. You have these two little strings, and voila, there you go.